Yes, be ready, start. I hope you will help us by analyzing these concepts so that we may not be led away by the slogans of politicians and statesmen. Full stop. Do not think I am going to decry my tribe of politicians and statesmen here. Full stop. They have much virtue in them. Full stop. And I am not going to say that jurists and lawyers are always very successful in dealing with public affairs, although they may be successful in dealing with matter in courts or in giving opinions. Full stop. A French writer on statecraft who lived some considerable time ago said, discussing lawyers in general, the training of a lawyer breeds habits and dispositions of the mind which are not favorable to the practice of diplomacy. Full stop. Whether that is entirely true or not, I do not know, but there is perhaps something in it. Full stop. The politicians obviously often go wrong, but the lawyers and the jurists in their ivory towers can also lose touch with reality. Full stop. Therefore, some of the greatest judges have been those who have not only interpreted the law but adapted it to changing conditions without doing violence to it. Full stop. It would be absurd for a problem belonging to the middle of the 20th century to be considered by some textbook maxim of the 18th or the 19th century. Full stop. Next stanza. There is another aspect to this which troubles many of us, how far some recent developments can be fitted in with any conception of international law or moral law. Full stop. Those developments which threaten the very existence to the human race not only by mass killing but by poisoning the atmosphere so that it has tribal gigantic consequences are not justifiable by any conception of international law or moral law. Full stop. Surely this is not a matter to be considered only by statesmen and politicians. Full stop. I do not know if jurists consider the moral law, but I suppose they have it in mind even in considering the letter of the law. Full stop. It may be desirable for them to consider whether and how far these preparations for nuclear welfare or the test explosions are in keeping with any conception of international or moral law. Full stop. If the politician as a man who has some responsibility in public affairs expresses his opinion, it is usually considered a biased and colored opinion because he belongs to the political parties of a country. Full stop. But jurists' opinion also carry weight. Stop.